Hi, and welcome back to the garage. Who has one of these griddles? Who doesn't like these griddles? I mean, they're certainly useful for pancakes, but I haven't had much luck doing anything other than pancakes on this thing. I've tried eggs, they just run off. I've tried making smashburgers, it's a disaster. Any kind of meat doesn't work so well. Bacon, kind of, but it splatters all over. I wanted to look for something a little more commercial, something beefier. And I found this. This is the Rav Sun 22-inch griddle. This guy weighs maybe 5 pounds. This is 31 pounds, and it has a cast iron cooking surface, and it's all stainless. Let me get you off the stand, and we'll do a little walk around of this thing. As you can see, I've used it already. I'll put some footage of that here somewhere. I've made fish. I've made sourdough English muffins, which is a first for me. Those turned out delicious. We're gonna use it to make some lunch here in a minute. It is, look at that plate. That plate is fully, I don't know what's the width and thickness of my pinky. That's about 3/8 of an inch. It's billed as being cast iron. It does take a seasoning somewhat. You can see by the color of it that it doesn't appear that the heating is super even out to the edges. I did do a full season on it. I ran it up to full heat and applied several coats of my griddle seasoning compound. Also, it may be kind of funny, it is sitting on top of my big 37-inch propane griddle. So little griddle, big griddle, electric griddle, gas griddle. So here is the temperature selector. 122 degrees. It's primarily in Celsius with the option of Fahrenheit sort of inset there. But it goes up to 572 Fahrenheit, 300 Celsius. I think they're a little optimistic. At full heat and letting it thoroughly saturate, I got a maximum temperature of 450 degrees, which I'll put up here, and that was in the dead center of it. So there's a power light that comes on when it is plugged in. There is no separate power switch. And then the hot light means heating. So when the element's on, this hot light is on. And around to the side, it's got some louvers. The back is all stainless with the same louvers. You have a nice, fully stainless drip tray, removable drip tray, and I would not hesitate to put this in the dishwasher if I wanted to. The drain gutter is very nice. Nicely placed drain hole for me. Louvers on this side again. Interestingly, it has a built-in splash guard. This is not removable, which is, I think, probably a nice feature because you're not going to leak out around it. It's fully integrated. The only assembly I had to do was to put these rubber feet on the bottom, which I will show here. It came very nicely packaged. All right, let me get this thing preheating and we'll fry up some chicken thighs for lunch. All right, and welcome back to my little cooking show here. It's been almost exactly 15 minutes and we are indicating pretty much right at 450. So, I mean, it's a big plate, you know, 1800 watts. That's not a lot of power for something this size, but 15 minutes for all that metal, I think, is pretty decent. So I've got my chicken thighs here. These are just salt and my favorite thing to put on pretty much anything, which is blackening seasoning. And I'm going to put a little bit of oil down. And smear that around. Put my 2 chicken thighs on the griddle. And then a little trick I picked up working at Wendy's years ago. If you want a crust on your chicken, put a weight on it. What better than a 10-inch Lodge pan? All right, we'll let that roll for a few minutes, and I'll bring you back for the flip. All right, it's been about 3 minutes. Let's see what we're working with here. Oh yeah, that looks great. Oh, we got a little piece came off. Oh yeah, look at that. That is good color. Couple more minutes. Okay, we are at 3 more minutes. I think we're ready to see what we've got under there. Let me set this away. Oh, those look great. Just gonna give them one more. I'm sure that little piece is done. We'll give them one more second. Back on the first side. And look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? All right, I'm gonna eat my lunch and we'll get this cleaned up, and I've got another idea to use with this thing, kind of crossing all of my streams. Hey, welcome back to my new cooking show, I guess. I'm out here in the middle of, well, kind of nowhere, simulated nowhere, with the Rav Sun griddle. It's electric. I have plenty of electric portable power. This is my favorite portable power station, truly portable. The Bluetti Elite 200. It is more than capable of powering this griddle for quite some time. So I've had it out here preheating. It is up to its maximum temperature. I just threw a bun on to toast, and we're gonna make some smashburgers and see how that works out. Let me get you a better shot of the griddle. And we're starting to get a nice toast on that. So let me just spin it around. I've got some 3-ounce beef patties here. This is brisket that I ground up. Let's put them on there and see how we do. Smash burgers, of course. Got to smash it. It's making the right noises. Oh yeah, that looks great. Great smash burgers. I've tried this on the Teflon griddle. You know, they just come right back off. They don't stick at all. Nice and juicy. Look at that. Give them the requisite time. Got some cheese hiding here. Let me get that ready. See, we're starting to get the nice lace bit through the side. Let's see if we can get these over. Oh yeah. They got a nice stick to them. That's what you want. Look at that crust. Beautiful. Let's get our cheese on there. You can't let that little bit get lost. Got my serving plate hidden over here. 1840 watts. This thing pulls some juice, that's for sure. I did pre-salt this before coming out here. Nice toast. Look at that. That is a beautiful looking smash burger. I'm going to enjoy this. Thanks for watching. That is good. Yeah, I brought more patties, so I just decided I was going to cook them. Thanks for watching. Really.